This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy XRP in Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and fund your account, then search for XRP and open its detail page. Choose Buy, pick a dollar amount or number of units, review order type and estimated fees, and confirm the trade. Keep security steps in mind, like two-factor authentication and checking price impact before you submit the order. In this section, I will explain how to fund your Robinhood account so you can buy XRP quickly and safely. Link your bank via ACH or use a debit card for instant moves, keeping in mind instant transfers may have limits. Verify your identity to raise deposit caps and confirm the available cash balance before placing an order. Remember, timing can affect price, so plan deposits ahead of trades. In this break, I want to ask if you're finding this video helpful. Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof containers for hassle-free meal prep and less kitchen spills. They seal tight and save time when you're juggling trading and meals. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, pick one up. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain how to place a buy order for XRP using Robinhood in a step-by-step way that's easy to follow. Choose Market Order for immediate execution or Limit Order to target a specific price. Enter the dollar amount or quantity of XRP, double-check fees and estimated total, then swipe or tap to confirm. Keep an eye on order status and cancel if conditions change before it fills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.